Hey, what's going on? Check this out. I got a 2015 Ford F-150 back here, and this was my dream truck for a while. I finally bought it in 2016 used. It had 17,000 miles or something when I bought it, but I want to hook this thing up, man. I don't really have anything going on with it yet. I put the leveling kit on it on the front end just to kind of level it out because it sits this way from the factory, but that's really all I've done. I had some tires on there for a little bit, but then I threw the ones that came back on it after those got worn down, and I really want to hook this thing up. You know, this was my dream truck for a while. I didn't have any money. I couldn't afford a truck for a long time. In fact, this is not my first truck. It's my second truck. I had a 1984 F350, but I had that 1984 in 2008 maybe, so it was old, man. I could see down through the floor to the ground, you know. So this is my first real truck. But here's the thing, I've got a baby. I got a 2-year-old son, and I can't be spending all my money on throwing stuff into this truck. So what I want to do is create a YouTube channel and make some money from this channel. Also get some sponsorships, perhaps companies, truck companies, send some things my way, and I put them into this truck. So that's how I'm gonna fund this project. Every month, I'm gonna go into YouTube because I know how to make money on YouTube. In fact, that's what I do for a living. I have a baseball channel, and I earn money on YouTube through sponsorships, through ads, things of this nature. That's what I plan to do with this channel as well. And then hook up my truck and take all the money that I earn on a monthly basis, shoot some videos, show you exactly how much money I earned, what I'm going to spend that money on. If companies send me free stuff, I'm going to hook the truck up, and hopefully eventually one day I'll make enough money on this YouTube channel to just pay for a brand new truck, maybe a 2000, I don't know, by that time, maybe 2022 F-150 or F-350 King Ranch or something. I don't know, but that's the plan right now. This is the new channel. I think I'm gonna call it My Dream Truck because that's what we're shooting for. And yeah, that's it. This truck really isn't anything special. Like I said, all I did was add the leveling kit on the front end. You can see I got some marks on it. This was actually like the first week I had it, I was pulling into the airport and I hit a cement block because I was just getting used to, you know, parking this thing. I wasn't used to it yet. I wasn't used to the size. This was actually just a couple of weeks ago when I was on vacation, another cement block on a parking job. I just was, you know, not committed to the park job. This was, I had my boat on here on the hitch, and I jumped off the backside of the boat, and the trailer came up and boom, came back down and dented it up and scratched that up. So I gotta fix that up. You know, I got some little stuff. I don't even know what happened here. My taillight's all cracked. You know, I got scratches all over it. You know, I gotta take care of some regular stuff first, but I also want to hook up stuff like the lights, you know, and the grill. Like this, I hit a table too. I was following some guy home one night, and a damn table fell out of the back of his truck, and I smashed into it going about 50 miles an hour. So that happened as well. So I got some stuff to fix up, but obviously I want to tint up the windows. I want to get a lift on it. You know, I want to throw some tires on there. I want to throw some rims on there. I want to make it nice. You know, maybe one day when my son is 16 years old, this will be his truck, and then I can use the money from this channel to buy a new truck. Let me know what you guys think. What would you do to this truck? Again, it's a 2015 Ford F-150. What color would you paint it? What kind of things would you do? Let me know, because I don't really know, but I want to do a few cool things, and I'll definitely take your suggestions and spend the money that I make here on that stuff and show you guys along the way. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, because I really don't know what's going to be coming on this channel, but I think it's going to be pretty cool. So I'll see you guys in the next video.